So this is a short little video I've made because I bought this 08 scooter and I discovered that it was severely damaged, as you can see from these cracks. It had done 1700 kilometers and I was disappointed when I pulled back the tape and found the huge cracks that went all the way through the aluminium. I took it around to my mate's place, Dave, and he got involved in making some serious repairs to this beast for me. I wouldn't take any of his safety precautions seriously because he didn't take safety seriously at all. Please don't do things in the same manner that he did things. However, he does have a way of getting things done. And as you can see here, he's crafted up a sweet little steel framed chassis that we were able to slide inside the front of the scooter and then bolt through both from the sides and up through in the bottom to create a scooter that can handle his dad bod weight of probably around 90 odd kg. And now I can scoot around with my 85 kg, hooning over bumps, and it's all fine.